Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have in your Telegram app. So first thing, go to the settings in your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, as you can see on this page, you are gonna find all the apps that you have in your mobile phone. So all what you wanna do is very simple actually. Just scroll until you find Telegram and then click on it. When you click on Telegram, now first stop the app from here and then click on storage or the internal storage. Click on clear cache and that's it. Now as you can see, all the cache is cleared. Go back again, click on the permissions, and after that make sure that all those permissions are enabled. Go back again and this time click on this power usage details. Make sure to enable the power consumption alert. Click down here on force stop. And the last thing you want to do now is restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.